We're waiting for Maria and her husband and son right here. Not Roro, fiber boat terminal. I think that's them. There's a boat came in. They're come and visit the island.
You can go down to the beach.
Maria Pio. Kanuktok eh. Nag-uruli-uro. Iba na naway pa. Naanod siya.
Sige, alis babaw na lang tibto.
Ligaw na.
Bayanihan dito sa bayang Iwan. Ara ka na dali. Hindi lang pala kata, dali lang tao. Dito na ano tama. Tapos
Abaw ka nami.
nami kompos niyo.
Habang ihi sa barat. Ay, sarado. May away man na. Okay lang dyan. Wow, look at our ampalaya, oh. Looks healthy. And these are cucumbers. Cucumber. You got cucumbers here, honey? They're ready to climb. Why did they put it in here?
You know, that kid did that. He caught it with the net.
Some of them still thriving.
Just put some water in there.
There's still water. Fish.
Free fish.
Free fish. Some of them didn't make it. Leave it alone. Whoa.
The chickens,
These are a lot of fish.
I know the chickens can eat.
Got a fish pond right here. Tanda pirmi. Alas 5 pa lang naghapon. Rosanda ho. Kamaan.
Kumbaga ang ano man siya.
Diyan tanda. Gita rin.
Hasa ko sa mga.
Ang iban do may padong ron. Ang iban ay pa gamay pa lang. Puno pag ano ka. As Manam has found. Stay right there, Lola. No. She has found eggs in the bushes. By the bushes, I mean. And there's bushes here. And they lay eggs.
Ang diadya ko jadi kitang kuha.
Mm.
Ayan, saging Fernando Gabriel.
Some eggs in here, somewhere in the bushes. There's probably more somewhere.
May ara pa gani nga kan doon ho.
Ay, natuka rin na. Basi kung ilaga ka na.
Away tagi kamaan kami iko kita di sa tunga.
Sige lang kananda pang itlog talaga yun. Oh, may gyapag daw. May mga buka. Sino talaga ka nagloob-loob una?
Kadung na nagapang sa ano lang ako.
Ah, tanatakpan mo.
Oo, sana kayo.
Ano? May mga ano tayo. Dragpul pa.
Gani, oo.
Pag-uran.
Kang kwan na dya siguro sang pagura ron ka uran day.
Oo, hindi pa sa. No?
Oo.
Tapos bagyo.
Oo.
Layet.
Oo, may layer na day ang ilang.
Diba si today lang man dyan na? Isagi.
Isa dyan, diyan.
Ay, ola, inata na siya.
Wala inuman tayo.
Ay, dyan naman, anta. Bago.
Mami, dyan.
And here's our meat chicken.
Yung pangita gini sa ang mga video na kita na kundi.
Ano nga video?
Ang butan mo itong
Marami nga trip, ano?
di pa ho?
Halloween. I don't care about no
Cheesecake. Pag pinset. Nag-cucumber. Ayan. How much do you have? Good morning! So today is a Tuesday, August the 5th, 2025, and it's Daddy's birthday. Yesterday was Ate Juliana's birthday. Yeah, we go get cake again later. I say hi first off. And these two girls don't have to go to school until 8 o'clock, and it's only, what time is it? 7:14. We just drop Ate off at St. Joseph Guimaras, and then her school don't start 7:15. That's fine over there. So we have to drop her before 7:15, and then us here in the market first buy some veggies before Stephanie and Eloise's school starts, huh? And how much money do you have?
I have
Don't do that. I told you, put it up now. Balo na 51. Some of those are left over from yesterday's and the other day's money. And Stephanie got what? Cheesecakes. Okay.
Stephanie.
For Stephanie, and Stephanie, she go share some of the cheesecake to her friend Stephanie. Her friend's name is Stephanie too. Ayan, guys.
Damo niliwaton. Tapos buhok lang sa babaw di yawang ka naman eh. Hindi mo nga yung camera babaw ya. Tiltigon mo gina.
Paano? Ibutang mo kasi. Palikoon, taguro na eh.
And then
Here's his birthday dinner. Birthday dinner! I just remembered. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy! You didn't even make it. Yan, guys, Steve and I here in the property. We're going to check out Manong's work. And guys, he put in the door yesterday. And yeah. The cow is mad. Saying, "Whoa, where are you going?" Windows. Wow, see the window ni Manong. Oh, dapat this is inside. So when we be inside, we can just push that. See?
You just gotta change it around.
Yeah. Look at Steve's steps. Whatever. I think the steps, Manong and them can just, he said he... Yeah, the girl's trying dirty ice cream
Dirty?
for the first time. I don't know. Don't get sick over it.
It's not dirty.
It's just called dirty ice cream.